All right, so I have my terrace level, or my third floor in. I have, as in previous videos, used a cube and placed it um, where I wanted to start a wall so that I've got a starting spot. Uh, and then I'm going to just go ahead and start tracing some of the interior walls. After that, I'll give consideration to maybe placing some items within these rooms. And then we'll move up to the final floor and put a few details in there that are kind of fun. All right, so one of the things I'm going to do is this image now is sort of in the middle of what I'm trying to draw. So I'm going to grab this on Y and move it back. So G, Y, and let's just slide that bad boy out of the way. And let's go back to our top view. And I'm just going to, as I've done before, trace some of these walls. So I'm going to open up the Archimesh dropdown, and I'm going to add a room. I'm going to give the walls some thickness. And then we'll give it a little bit of length. I will make sure I add a second wall. Give that a little bit of length. Oops, grabbed the wrong one. Always helps to grab the right wall that you're modifying. And that is that. I'm going to just go through the process of moving the cursor, putting in a wall, and then I'll worry about putting in doors and or doorways later. And that's really going to be the gist of kind of tracing out this floor, other than maybe putting some furniture or cabinets in a while.